Surah Bani Israel, Children of Israel. This surah is Meccan, containing 12 sections and 111 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
سبحان الذي أسرى بعبده ليلا من المسجد الحرام إلى المسجد الأقصى الذي باركنا حوله لنريه من آياتنا إنه هو السميع البصير.
Pure is he who took his chosen one during part of the night from Masjidul Haram to Masjidul Aqsa, around which we have placed blessings, so that we may show him our magnificent signs. Indeed, he is the all-hearing, the all-seeing.
وآتينا موسى الكتاب وجعلناه هدى لبني إسرائيل ألا تتخذوا من دوني وكيلا.
And we granted Musa the book and made it guidance for the children of Israel, that you do not make anyone disposer of affairs other than me.
ذرية من حملنا مع نوح إنه كان عبدا شكورا.
O descendants of those whom we carried with Nuh, he was a most grateful person.
وقضينا إلى بني إسرائيل في الكتاب لتفسدن في الأرض مرتين ولتعلن علوا كبيرا.
And we sent a revelation to the children of Israel in the book. You will most certainly create discord in the earth twice, and you will most certainly be deeply arrogant.
فإذا جاء وعد أولاهما بعثنا عليكم عبادا لنا أولي بأس شديد فجاسوا خلال الديار وكان وعدا مفعولا.
So when the first promise of the two came to pass, we unleashed upon you our people who were ferociously violent. So they invaded the cities to search for you, and that was a promise which was to be fulfilled.
ثم رددنا لكم الكرة عليهم وأمددناكم بأموال وبنين وجعلناكم أكثر نفيرا.
Then we granted you a turn of predominance over them, and helped you through wealth and sons, and made you greater in number.
إن أحسنتم أحسنتم لأنفسكم وإن أسأتم فلها فإذا جاء وعد الآخرة ليسوءوا وجوهكم وليدخلوا المسجد كما دخلوه أول مرة وليتبروا ما علوا تتبيرا.
If you do good, then you will only do good for yourselves. And if you commit evil, then it will only be for yourselves. When the second promise came to pass, we unleashed your enemies to disfigure your faces, and to enter the masjid just as they had entered it the first time, and to completely destroy that which they overpowered.
عسى ربكم أن يرحمكم وإن عدتم عدنا وجعلنا جهنم للكافرين حصيرا.
It is near that your Lord may have mercy on you, and if you will return to sin, then we shall repeat the punishment, and we have made hell a prison for the disbelievers.
إن هذا القرآن يهدي للتي هي أقوم ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا كبيرا.
Indeed, this Quran guides to the path which is the straightest and gives glad tidings to the believers who perform righteous deeds that there is a great reward for them.
وأن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة أعتدنا لهم عذابا أليما.
And that those who deny the hereafter, we have prepared a painful punishment for them.
ويدعو الإنسان بالشر دعاءه بالخير وكان الإنسان عجولا.
Sometimes man supplicates for evil, just as he supplicates for goodness. Man is most hasty.
وجعلنا الليل والنهار آيتين فمحونا آية الليل وجعلنا آية النهار مبصرة لتبتغوا فضلا من ربكم ولتعلموا عدد السنين والحساب وكل شيء فصلناه تفصيلا.
And we made the night and the day two signs. Then we erased the sign of the night and made the sign of the day visible, that you may seek the grace of your Lord, and that you may come to know the number of years and calculation. And we have stated everything in absolute detail.
وكل إنسان ألزمناه طائره في عنقه ونخرج له يوم القيامة كتابا يلقاه منشورا.
And we have placed the fate of every human around his neck. And we shall bring forth on the day of judgment a book of deeds which he will find wide open.
اقرأ كتابك كفى بنفسك اليوم عليك حسيبا.
It will be said, read your record of deeds. This day you suffice against yourself for reckoning.
من اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه ومن ضل فإنما يضل عليها ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى وما كنا معذبين حتى نبعث رسولا.
Whosoever attained guidance, he did so for his own benefit, and whosoever became misguided did so at his own loss. No soul will bear the burden of another soul, and we do not punish anyone until we have sent a messenger.
وَإِذَا أَرَدْنَا أَن نُهْلِكَ قَرْيَةً أَمَرْنَا مُتْرَ فِيهَا فَفَسَقُوا فِيهَا فَحَقَّ عليها القول فدمرناها تدميرا.
And when we intended to destroy a village, we sent commands to its affluent people, then they disobeyed therein. So the decree is established upon it, then we completely destroyed.
وكم أهلكنا من القرون من بعد نوح وكفى بربك بذنوب عباده خبيرا بصيرا.
And how many generations have we destroyed after Nuh? And your Lord suffices as being most aware, all-seeing concerning the sins of his people.
من كان يريد العاجلة عجلنا له فيها ما نشاء لمن نريد ثم جعلنا له جهنم يصلاها مذموما مدحورا.
Whosoever desires this world, we hasten for him in it whatever we will for whomsoever we will. Then we have made hell for him, wherein he will burn, condemned and rejected.
ومن أراد الآخرة وسعى لها سعيها وهو مؤمن فأولئك كان سعيهم مشكورا.
And whosoever desires the hereafter and strives for it as one should, while he is a believer too, then these are the very people whose efforts will be valued.
كُلًّا نُمِدُّ هؤلاء وهؤلاء من عطاء ربك وما كان عطاء ربك محظورا.
We help all these seekers of the world and those seekers of the hereafter with the bestowal of your Lord, and the bestowal of your Lord is not limited.
انظر كيف فضلنا بعضهم على بعض وللآخرة أكبر درجات وأكبر تفضيلا.
Observe how we granted excellence to some of them over others. Surely the hereafter is greater in rank and greater in excellence.
لا تجعل مع الله إلها آخر فتقعد مذموما مخذولا.
O listener, do not ascribe another God to Allah, lest you should sit condemned, forsaken.
وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا إما يبلغن عندك الكبر أحدهما أو كلاهما فلا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما وقل لهما قولا كريما.
And your Lord has decreed that you worship none but Him, and be kind to parents. If one or both of them reach old age in your presence, then do not even say uff to them, and do not scold them, and speak to them with courteous words.
واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
And lower your wing of humility to them out of affection and say, O my Lord, have mercy on them both as they raised me when I was a child.
ربكم أعلم بما في نفوسكم إن تكونوا صالحين فإن كان للأوابين غفورا.
Your Lord knows best that which is in your hearts. If you are righteous, then indeed He is most forgiving for those who repent.
وآت ذا القربى حقه والمسكين وابن السبيل ولا تبذر تبذيرا.
And fulfill the right of relatives, and the destitute, miskin, and the traveller, and do not spend wastefully.
إن المبذرين كانوا إخوان الشياطين وكان الشيطان لربه كفورا.
Indeed, the squanderers are brothers of the devils, and certainly Satan is most ungrateful to his Lord.
وَإِمَّا تُعْرِضَنَّ عَنْهُمُ ابْتِغَاءَ رَحْمَةٍ مِّن رَّبِّكَ تَرْجُوهَا فَقُل لَّهُمْ قَوْلًا مَّيْسُورًا.
If you must turn them down, but still seek the mercy of your Lord, at least speak to them with words of kindness.
ولا تجعل يدك مغلولة إلى عنقك ولا تبسطها كل البسط فتقعد ملوما محسورا.
Do not shackle your hand to your neck, nor open it fully, lest you sit censured, regretful.
إن ربك يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر إنه كان بعباده خبيرا بصيرا.
Indeed, your Lord increases sustenance from whomsoever He wills, and He lessens too. Surely He is most aware, all-seeing concerning His people.
ولا تقتلوا أولادكم خشية إملاق نحن نرزقهم وإياكم إن قتلهم كان خطأ كبيرا.
Do not kill your children for fear of poverty. We shall provide them with sustenance, and you too. Indeed, killing them is a major sin.
ولا تقربوا الزنا إنه كان فاحشة وساء سبيلا.
And do not go near fornication. Indeed, it is indecency and a most evil path.
ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ومن قتل مظلوما فقد جعلنا لوليه سلطانا فلا يسرف في القتل إنه كان منصورا.
And do not unjustly take the life which Allah has prohibited. Whosoever is killed unjustly, then we have given authority to his inheritor, so he should not exceed the limit in retaliation of the killing. Indeed, he will be helped.
ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ أشده وأوفوا بالعهد إن العهد كان مسؤولا.
And do not go near the wealth of the orphan, except in the best way, until he reaches the age of maturity, and fulfill your oath. The oath will be questioned.
وأوفوا الكيل إذا كلتم وزنوا بالقسطاس المستقيم ذلك خير وأحسن تأويلا.
And measure fully when you measure, and weigh with a correct scale. This is better and an excellent outcome.
ولا تقف ما ليس لك به علم إن السمع والبصر والفؤاد كل أولئك كان عنه مسؤولا.
And do not pursue that which you have no knowledge of. Indeed, the ear and the eye and the heart, all of these will be questioned.
ولا تمش في الأرض مرحا إنك لن تخرق الأرض ولن تبلغ الجبال طولا.
And do not walk upon the earth arrogantly. Indeed, you will never split open the earth, and you will never reach the height of mountains.
كل ذلك كان سيئه عند ربك مكروها.
The evil of all these matters is disliked by your Lord.
ذلك مما أوحى إليك ربك من الحكمة ولا تجعل مع الله إلها آخر فتلقى في جهنم ملوما مدحورا.
This is from the wisdom revealed to you by your Lord. And O listener, do not ascribe another God to Allah, lest he should cast you into hell, blamed, forsaken.
أفأصفاكم ربكم بالبنين واتخذ من الملائكة إناثا إنكم لتقولون قولا عظيما.
Has your Lord chosen sons for you and made daughters from the angels for himself? Indeed, you speak a grave word.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ لِيَذَّكَّرُوا وَمَا يَزِيدُهُمْ إِلَّا نُفُورًا.
And we have certainly stated matters in this Quran in various ways that they may understand, and it only increases their aversion.
قُلْ لَوْ كَانَ مَعَهُ آلِهَةٌ كَمَا يَقُولُونَ إِذًا لَابْتَغَوْا إِلَى ذِي الْعَرْشِ سَبِيلًا.
Say, had there been other gods with him as they, the disbelievers, are saying, then they would have found a way to the possessor of the throne.
سبحانه وتعالى عما يقولون علوا كبيرا.
He is pure and exalted above what the wrongdoers say, most elevated, most great.
تسبح له السماوات السبع والأرض ومن فيهن وإن من شيء إلا يسبح بحمده ولكن لا تفقهون تسبيحهم إنه كان حليما غفورا.
The seven heavens and the earth and all therein glorify him, and there is no such thing which exists except that it glorifies him with his praise. However, you do not understand their glorification. He is most forbearing, most forgiving.
وَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ جَعَلْنَا بَيْنَكَ وَبَيْنَ الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ حِجَابًا مَسْتُورًا.
Dear beloved Prophet, when you recited the Quran, we placed a concealed veil between you and those who disbelieve in the hereafter,
وجعلنا على قلوبهم أكنة أن يفقهوه وفي آذانهم وقرا وإذا ذكرت ربك في القرآن وحده ولوا على أدبارهم نفورا.
And we have placed veils upon their hearts, so that they do not understand it, and a burden, deafness in their ears. And when you mention your Lord in the Quran that He is one, they turn their backs in hatred.
نحن أعلم بما يستمعون به إذ يستمعون إليك وإذ هم نجوى إذ يقول الظالمون إن تتبعون إلا رجلا مسحورا.
We know best why they listen attentively when they listen to you, and when they consult one another in secret, when the oppressors say, you only follow a bewitched man.
انظر كيف ضربوا لك الأمثال فضلوا فلا يستطيعون سبيلا.
Observe how they have attributed offensive examples to you, so they have gone astray. Hence they are incapable of finding the way.
وقالوا أإذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أإنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا.
And they said, when we become bones and dust, will we really be resurrected as a new creation?
قل كونوا حجارة أو حديدا.
Say, become stone or iron.
أو خلقا مما يكبر في صدوركم فسيقولون من يعيدنا قل الذي فطركم أول مرة فسينغضون إليك رؤوسهم ويقولون متاه قل عسى أن يكون قريبا.
Or any greater creation in your hearts. Then they will say, who will bring us back to life? Say, He who created you the first time. So they will move their heads towards you in surprise and say, when will it happen? Say, perhaps it is near.
يوم يدعوكم فتستجيبون بحمده وتظنون إن لبثتم إلا قليلا.
On the day when He will call you, then you will answer Him with His praise, and you will think that you have only stayed for a very short duration.
وقل لعبادي يقولوا التي هي أحسن إن الشيطان ينزغ بينهم إن الشيطان كان للإنسان عدوا مبينا.
Dear beloved Prophet, say to my people that they say that which is best. Satan creates discord among them. Indeed, Satan is an open enemy for mankind.
ربكم أعلم بكم إن يشأ يرحمكم أو إن يشأ يعذبكم وما أرسلناك عليهم وكيلا.
Your Lord knows you best. If He wills, He has mercy on you, and if He wills, He punishes you. We have not sent you as a guardian over them.
وربك أعلم بمن في السماوات والأرض ولقد فضلنا وفضلنا بعض النبيين على بعض وآتينا داود زبورا.
Your Lord knows best about all those who are in the heavens and the earth, and we have certainly granted excellence to some prophets over others, and we granted Dawood the Zabur.
قل ادعوا الذين زعمتم من دونه فلا يملكون كشف الضر عنكم ولا تحويلا.
Say, call upon those whom you consider gods other than Allah, so they neither have the authority to remove any calamity from you, nor can they avert it.
أولئك الذين يدعون يبتغون إلى ربهم الوسيلة أيهم أقرب ويرجون رحمته ويخافون عذابه إن عذاب ربك كان محذورا.
Those righteous people whom they worship, they themselves seek a means of nearness, wasila, to their Lord, that which of them is the closest, and they hope for His mercy and fear His punishment. Indeed, the punishment of your Lord is something to be feared.
وَإِن مِّن قَرْيَةٍ إِلَّا نَحْنُ مُهْلِكُوهَا قَبْلَ يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ أَوْ مُعَذِّبُوهَا عَذَابًا شَدِيدًا كَانَ ذَلِكَ فِي الْكِتَابِ مَسْطُورًا.
And there is no village except that we shall destroy it before the day of judgment, or we shall punish it with severe punishment. This is written in the book.
وَمَا مَنَعَنَا أَن نُّرْسِلَ بِالْآيَاتِ إِلَّا أَن كَذَّبَ بِهَا الْأَوَّلُونَ وآتينا ثمود الناقة مبصرة فظلموا بها وما نرسل بالآيات إلا تخويفا.
And nothing prevented us from sending our signs except that the people of the past rejected them. And we granted Thamud the she-camel a clear sign. Then they oppressed it, and we only send signs to instill fear.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لَكَ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ أَحَاطَ بِالنَّاسِ وَمَا جَعَلْنَا الرُّؤْيَا الَّتِي أَرَيْنَاكَ إِلَّا فِتْنَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَالشَّجَرَةَ الْمَلْعُونَةَ فِي الْقُرْآنِ وَنُخَوِّفُهُمْ فَمَا يَزِيدُهُمْ إِلَّا طُغْيَانًا كَبِيرًا.
And when we said to you, indeed your Lord has encompassed all people with His power, and we did not make the vision which we showed you except as a trial for the people, and the accursed tree mentioned in the Quran, we warned them that it only increases their extreme transgression.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ قَالَ أَأَسْجُدُ لِمَنْ خَلَقْتَ طِينًا.
Remember when we commanded the angels to prostrate to Adam, so they all prostrated except Satan. He said, "Shall I prostrate to one whom you have created from clay?"
قال أرأيتك هذا الذي كرمت علي لئن أخرتني إلى يوم القيامة لأحتنكن ذريته إلا قليلا.
He said, "Tell me, is this the one whom you have honored over me? If you grant me respite until the day of judgment, I shall most definitely crush his progeny, except for a few."
قال اذهب فمن تبعك منهم فإن جهنم جزاؤكم جزاء مغفورا.
He, Allah, said, "Leave. Whoever from them follows you, hell is your recompense, a full recompense."
واستفزز من استطعت منهم بصوتك وأجلب عليهم بخيلك ورجلك وشاركهم في الأموال والأولاد وعدهم وما يعدهم الشيطان إلا غرورا.
And tempt whomsoever you can among them with your voice, and attack them with your cavalry and infantry, and become their partner in wealth and children, and make promises to them, and Satan only makes promises to them in deceit.
إن عبادي ليس لك عليهم سلطان وكفى بربك وكيلا.
Surely you have no power over my people, and your Lord is sufficient as the disposer of affairs.
ربكم الذي يزجي لكم الفلك في البحر لتبتغوا من فضله إنه كان بكم رحيما.
Your Lord is He who causes ships to sail in the sea for you, that you may seek His grace. Indeed, He is most merciful to you.
وَإِذَا مَسَّكُمُ الضُّرُّ فِي الْبَحْرِ ضَلَّ مَن تَدْعُونَ إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ فَلَمَّا نَجَّاكُمْ إِلَى الْبَرِّ أَعْرَضْتُمْ وَكَانَ الْإِنسَانُ كَفُورًا.
And when a calamity befalls you in the sea, then those whom you worship apart from Allah disappear. So when He grants you salvation towards land, you turn away. Indeed, mankind is most ungrateful.
أفأمنتم أن يخسف بكم جانب البر أو يرسل عليكم حاصبا ثم لا تجدوا لكم وكيلا.
Have you become unafraid of this, that He may cause you to sink into the coast, or cause rocks to descend upon you? Then you will not find a supporter for yourselves.
أم أمنتم أن يعيدكم فيه تارة أخرى فيرسل عليكم قاصفا من الريح فيغرقكم بما كفرتم ثم لا تجدوا لكم علينا به تبيعا.
Or have you become unafraid of this, that He may cause you to return therein a second time? Then He will send upon you a destructive storm, so He will cause you to drown due to your disbelief. Then you will not find anyone who will demand from us on your behalf.
وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ وَحَمَلْنَاهُمْ فِي الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ ورزقناهم من الطيبات وفضلناهم على كثير ممن خلقنا تفضيلا.
And we certainly honored the progeny of Adam, and we carried them on land and sea, and we granted them sustenance from pure things, and we endowed them with considerable excellence over many among creation.
يوم ندعو كل أناس بإمامهم فمن أوتي كتابه بيمينه فأولئك يقرؤون كتابهم ولا يظلمون فتيلا.
Remember the day we shall call every group with their imam. So whosoever is given his book of deeds in his right hand, so they will read their book of deeds, and they will not be oppressed even as much as a thread.
ومن كان في هذه أعمى فهو في الآخرة أعمى وأضل سبيلا.
Whosoever is blind to the truth in this life, he will also be blind in the hereafter, and more astray from the truth.
وَإِن كَادُوا لَيَفْتِنُونَكَ عَنِ الَّذِي أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ لِتَفْتَرِيَ عَلَيْنَا غَيْرَهُ وَإِذًا لَاتَّخَذُوكَ خَلِيلًا.
And they wanted to turn you away from the revelation we sent to you, that you ascribe to us another matter, and then they make you a close friend.
وَلَوْلَا أَن ثَبَّتْنَاكَ لَقَدْ كِدتَّ تَرْكَنُ إِلَيْهِمْ شَيْئًا قَلِيلًا.
And had we not made you steadfast, it was near that you would certainly have become a little inclined to them.
إِذًا لَأَذَقْنَاكَ ضِعْفَ الْحَيَاةِ وَضِعْفَ الْمَمَاتِ ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُ لَكَ عَلَيْنَا نَصِيرًا.
Then we would certainly have made you taste double punishment in life and double after death. Then you would not have found a helper against us for yourselves.
وَإِن كَادُوا لَيَسْتَفِزُّونَكَ مِنَ الْأَرْضِ لِيُخْرِجُوكَ مِنْهَا وَإِذًا لَا يَلْبَثُونَ خِلَافَكَ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا.
And indeed it was near that they coaxed you away from the land to banish you from it, and then they would not have stayed after you except a few.
سُنَّةَ مَن قَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا قَبْلَكَ مِن رُّسُلِنَا وَلَا تَجِدُ لِسُنَّتِنَا تَحْوِيلًا.
The way of those whom we sent before you from the messengers, and you will not find any change in our way.
أقم الصلاة لدلوك الشمس إلى غسق الليل وقرآن الفجر إن قرآن الفجر كان مشهودا.
Establish the prayer from the declining of the sun until the darkness of the night, and the recitation of Quran at dawn. The recitation of the Quran at dawn is attended by angels.
وَمِنَ اللَّيْلِ فَتَهَجَّدْ بِهِ نَافِلَةً لَكَ عَسَىٰ أَن يَبْعَثَكَ رَبُّكَ مَقَامًا مَحْمُودًا.
And perform the night prayer, the Hajj, in part of the night, as this is specifically additional for you. Soon your Lord will elevate you upon a station where all will praise you.
وَقُلْ رَبِّ أَدْخِلْنِي مُدْخَلَ صِدْقٍ وَأَخْرِجْنِي مُخْرَجَ صِدْقٍ وَاجْعَل لِّي مِن لَّدُنكَ سُلْطَانًا نَّصِيرًا.
Dear beloved Prophet, say, O my Lord, cause me to enter in an excellent manner, and cause me to leave in an excellent manner, and create for me prevailing assistance from your court.
وَقُلْ جَاءَ الْحَقُّ وَزَهَقَ الْبَاطِلُ إن الباطل كان زهوقا.
And say, the truth has come, and falsehood has perished. Indeed, falsehood was bound to perish.
وننزل من القرآن ما هو شفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين ولا يزيد الظالمين إلا خسارا.
And we revealed in the Quran that which is healing and mercy for the people of faith, and it only increases the loss of the oppressors.
وَإِذَا أَنْعَمْنَا عَلَى الْإِنسَانِ أَعْرَضَ وَنَأَىٰ بِجَانِبِهِ وَإِذَا مَسَّهُ الشَّرُّ كَانَ يَئُوسًا.
And when we bestow favor upon man, he turns away and moves away from his side. And when adversity befalls him, he becomes despairing.
قُلْ كُلٌّ يَعْمَلُ عَلَى شَاكِلَتِهِ فَرَبُّكُمْ أَعْلَمُ بِمَنْ هُوَ أَهْدَىٰ سَبِيلًا.
Say, all act according to their nature. So your Lord knows best he who is upon the most guided path.
وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الرُّوحِ قُلِ الرُّوحُ مِنْ أَمْرِ رَبِّي وَمَا أُوتِيتُم مِّنَ الْعِلْمِ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا.
And they ask you about the soul. Say, it is something from the command of my Lord. And O people, you were only granted little knowledge.
وَلَئِن شِئْنَا لَنَذْهَبَنَّ بِالَّذِي أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُ لَكَ بِهِ عَلَيْنَا وَكِيلًا.
And had we willed, we would most certainly have taken away that which we revealed to you. Then you would not have found for yourselves a supporter against us in this matter.
إِلَّا رَحْمَةً مِّن رَّبِّكَ إِنَّ فَضْلَهُ كَانَ عَلَيْكَ كَبِيرًا.
Accept the mercy of your Lord. Indeed, his grace upon you is great.
قُل لَّئِنِ اجْتَمَعَتِ الْإِنسُ وَالْجِنُّ عَلَىٰ أَن يَأْتُوا بِمِثْلِ هَٰذَا الْقُرْآنِ لَا يَأْتُونَ بِمِثْلِهِ وَلَوْ كَانَ بَعْضُهُمْ لِبَعْضٍ ظَهِيرًا.
Say, were humans and jinn to unite upon this, that they bring forth an equivalent of this Quran, they will not bring forth its equivalent, even if they help each other.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَٰذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِن كُلِّ مَثَلٍ فَأَبَىٰ أَكْثَرُ النَّاسِ إِلَّا كُفُورًا.
And we have stated all kinds of examples in this Quran, so most people refuse to accept anything but ungratefulness.
وَقَالُوا لَن نُّؤْمِنَ لَكَ حَتَّىٰ تَفْجُرَ لَنَا مِنَ الْأَرْضِ يَنبُوعًا.
And they said, we will not believe in you until you cause a spring to flow from the earth for us.
أَوْ تَكُونَ لَكَ جَنَّةٌ مِّن نَّخِيلٍ وَعِنَبٍ فَتُفَجِّرَ الْأَنْهَارَ خِلَالَهَا تَفْجِيرًا.
Or you have a garden of palms and grapes, then you cause rivers to flow between them.
أَوْ تُسْقِطَ السَّمَاءَ كَمَا زَعَمْتَ عَلَيْنَا كِسَفًا أَوْ تَأْتِيَ يأتي بالله والملائكة قبيلا.
Or you make the sky fall upon us in pieces as you have said, or you bring Allah and the angels before us.
أو يكون لك بيت من زخرف أو ترقى في السماء ولن نؤمن لرقيك حتى تنزل علينا كتابا نقرأه قل سبحان ربي هل كنت إلا بشرا رسولا.
Or you have a house of gold, or you ascend in the sky, and we shall never believe in your ascension until you do not send down a book upon us which we may read. Say, pure is my Lord, I am but an individual sent by Allah.
وما منع الناس أن يؤمنوا إذ جاءهم الهدى إلا أن قالوا أبعث الله بشرا رسولا.
Nothing prevented the people from embracing faith after guidance came to them except that they say, has Allah sent a human being as a messenger?
قل لو كان في الأرض ملائكة يمشون مطمئنين لنزلنا عليهم من السماء ملكا رسولا.
Say, had there been angels in the earth roaming freely, then we would have sent down upon them an angel from the sky as a messenger.
قل كفى بالله شهيدا بيني وبينكم إنه كان بعباده خبيرا بصيرا.
Say, Allah suffices as a witness between me and you. He is most aware, all-seeing concerning His people.
ومن يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد لهم أولياء من دونه ونحشرهم يوم القيامة على وجوههم عميا وبكما وصما مأواهم جهنم كلما خبت زدناهم سعيرا.
Whomsoever Allah guides, then he is guided, and those whom He misguides, so you will never find for them helpers other than Him. We shall raise them on the day of judgment upon their faces, blind and dumb and deaf. Their abode is hell. Whenever it will diminish, we shall increase for them the blazing fire.
ذلك جزاؤهم بأنهم كفروا بآياتنا وقالوا أإذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أإنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا.
This is their recompense, due to this, that they denied our verses and said, when we become bones and dust, will we really be resurrected as a new creation?
أولم يروا أن الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض قادر على أن يخلق مثلهم وجعل لهم أجلا لا ريب فيه فأبى الظالمون إلا كفورا.
Did they not see that Allah who created the heavens and the earth has the power to create people like them, and He has specified a term for them in which there is no doubt. So the oppressors did not accept anything but disbelief.
قل لو أنتم تملكون خزائن رحمة ربي إذا لأمسكتم خشية الإنفاق وكان الإنسان قتورا.
Say, had you been the owners of my Lord's treasures of mercy, then you would have withheld them in fear of expenditure, and man is most miserly.
ولقد آتينا موسى 9 آيات بينات فاسأل بني إسرائيل إذ جاءهم فقال له فرعون إني لأظنك يا موسى مسحورا.
And we certainly granted Musa 9 clear signs. So ask the children of Israel when Musa came to them. Pharaoh said to him, Indeed, I think, O Musa, that you are bewitched.
قال لقد علمت ما أنزل هؤلاء إلا رب السماوات والأرض بصائر وإني لأظنك يا فرعون مثبورا.
He said, Certainly you have come to know that only the Lord of the heavens and the earth has sent down these signs as admonitions. And indeed I think that you, O Pharaoh, are doomed to perish.
فأراد أن يستفزهم من الأرض فأغرقناه ومن معه جميعا.
So Pharaoh, wanted to banish them, i.e., Israelites, from the land. Then we drowned him and all those with him.
وقلنا من بعده لبني إسرائيل اسكنوا الأرض فإذا جاء وعد الآخرة جئنا بكم لفيفا.
And thereafter we said to the children of Israel, Reside in the land. Then when the promise of the hereafter will come, we will gather you all.
وبالحق أنزلناه وبالحق نزل وما أرسلناك إلا مبشرا ونذيرا.
And we have revealed the Quran with the truth, and we sent you not except as a bearer of glad tidings and a warner.
وقرآنا فرقناه لتقرأه على الناس على مكث ونزلناه تنزيلا.
And we have revealed the Quran in divided parts that you may recite it to the people slowly, and we have revealed it gradually.
قل آمنوا به أو لا تؤمنوا إن الذين أوتوا العلم من قبله إذا يتلى عليهم يخرون للأذقان سجدا.
Say, O people, believe in this Quran, or do not believe. Indeed, those who were granted knowledge before it, when it is recited to them, they fall prostrate upon their chins.
وَيَقُولُونَ سُبْحَانَ رَبِّنَا إِن كَانَ وَعْدُ رَبِّنَا لَمَفْعُولًا.
And they say, Our Lord is pure. Indeed, the promise of our Lord was to be fulfilled.
ويخرون للأذقان يبكون ويزيدهم خشوعا.
And they fall upon their chins weeping, and this Quran increases their humility.
قل ادعوا الله أو ادعوا الرحمن أيما تدعوا فله الأسماء الحسنى ولا تجهر بصلاتك ولا تخافت بها وابتغ بين ذلك سبيلا.
Say, call upon him as Allah, or call upon him as Rahman, the infinitely gracious. However you call upon him, he has the most beautiful names. Do not raise your voice excessively in prayer, nor resort to a very low tone, but seek a way between both.
وقل الحمد لله الذي لم يتخذ ولدا ولم يكن له شريك في الملك ولم يكن له ولي من الذل وكبره تكبيرا.
And say, all praise is for Allah who did not take a son, and he has no partner in his kingdom, and he has no helper due to weakness, and declare his greatness fervently. Surah Al-Kahf, the cave. This surah is Meccan, containing 12 sections and 110 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
الحمد لله الذي أنزل على عبده الكتاب ولم يجعل له عوجا.
All praise is for Allah, who revealed the book upon his chosen one, and did not place any crookedness therein.
قيما لينذر بأسا شديدا من لدنه ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا حسنا.
Upholding the benefit of people, a balanced book, that it may warn of severe torment from him, and gives glad tidings to the believers who perform deeds of righteousness, that for them there is an excellent reward of paradise.
ماكثين فيه أبدا.
They will reside therein forever.
وينذر الذين قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا.
And to warn those who say, Allah has taken a child.
ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم إن يقولون إلا كذبا.
Neither they have knowledge, nor do their forefathers. How grave is that word which comes out of their mouths. They speak a lie.
فلعلك باخع نفسك على آثارهم إن لم يؤمنوا بهذا الحديث أسفا.
So perhaps you will destroy your life in sorrow for them if they do not believe in this word.
إنا جعلنا ما على الأرض زينة لها لنبلوهم أيهم أحسن عملا.
We have made that which is upon the earth adornment for it, that we may test them as to which of them is best in action.
وَإِنَّا لَجَاعِلُونَ مَا عَلَيْهَا صَعِيدًا جُرُزًا.
We shall make whatever is upon the earth a barren land.
أم حسبت أن أصحاب الكهف والرقيم كانوا من آياتنا عجبا.
Did you come to know that the people of the cave, Al-Kahf, and the inscription were a marvel among our signs?
إذ أوى الفتية إلى الكهف فقالوا ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا.
When the young men took refuge in the cave, then they said, O our Lord, grant us mercy from your cause and provide for us a means of guidance in our matter.
فضربنا على آذانهم في الكهف سنين عددا.
So we placed a veil upon their ears, causing a deep sleep for a number of years.
ثم بعثناهم لنعلم أي الحزبين أحصى لما لبثوا أمدا.
Then we awaken them, that we may see which of the two groups is more accurate in stating their duration of stay.
نحن نقص عليك نبأهم بالحق إنهم فتية آمنوا بربهم وزدناهم هدى.
We relate to you their account with the truth. They were some young men who believed in their Lord, and we increased their guidance.
وربطنا على قلوبهم إذ قاموا فقالوا ربنا رب السماوات والأرض لن ندعو من دونه إلها لقد قلنا إذا شططا.
And we granted strength to their hearts when they stood up and said, Our Lord is the Lord of the heavens and the earth. We shall never worship a God other than Him. If we did, we would certainly be uttering a shocking lie.
هؤلاء قوم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة لولا يأتون عليهم بسلطان بين فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا.
This is our nation. They have taken gods other than Him, Allah. Why do they not bring forth a clear proof about them? So who is a greater oppressor than he who ascribes a lie to Allah?
وَإِذِ اعْتَزَلْتُمُوهُمْ وَمَا يَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ فَأْوُوا إِلَى الْكَهْفِ ينشر لكم ربكم من رحمته ويهيئ لكم من أمركم مرفقا.
And when you have withdrawn from them and whatever they worship except Allah, then take refuge in the cave. Your Lord will spread His mercy for you and provide you with ease.
وَتَرَى الشَّمْسَ إِذَا طَلَعَتْ تَزَاوَرُ عَنْ كَهْفِهِمْ ذَاتَ الْيَمِينِ وَإِذَا غَرَبَتْ تقرضهم ذات الشمال وهم في فجوة منه ذلك من آيات الله من يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد له وليا مرشدا.
Dear beloved Prophet, you will observe that when the sun rises, it is inclined to the right side of their cave, and when it sets, it passes them to the left, even though they are in an open part within it. This is among the signs of Allah. Whomsoever is guided by Allah, he is rightly guided, and whomsoever he leaves to stray, you will never find for him a helper to show the way.
وتحسبهم أيقاظا وهم رقود ونقلبهم ذات اليمين وذات الشمال وكلبهم باسط ذراعيه بالوصيد لو اطلعت عليهم لوليت منهم فرارا ولملئت منهم رعبا.
And you will consider them to be awake even though they are asleep, and we turn them over to the right side and the left, and their dog is at the mouth of the cave with its forelegs outstretched. Were you to look at them, you would turn away from them retreating, and you would certainly be in awe of them.
وكذلك بعثناهم ليتساءلوا بينهم قال قائل منهم كم لبثتم قالوا لبثنا يوما أو بعض يوم قالوا ربكم أعلم بما لبثتم فابعثوا أحدكم بورقكم هذه إلى المدينة فلينظر أيها أزكى طعاما فليأتكم برزق منه وليتلطف ولا يشعرن بكم أحدا.
Thus we awaken them that they may question one another. One of them said, "How long have you stayed here?" They replied, "We stayed for a day or part of a day." The others said, "Your Lord knows best how long you stayed. Send one from yourselves with this silver of yours to the city, so he should see which food is most pure. Then let him bring some sustenance from it, and let him be courteous, and he must not disclose your identity to anyone."
إنهم إن يظهروا عليكم يرجموكم أو يعيدوكم في ملتهم ولن تفلحوا إذا أبدا.
If they come to know of you, they will stone you or they will convert you to their religion, and then you will never succeed.
وكذلك أعثرنا عليهم ليعلموا أن وعد الله حق وأن الساعة لا ريب فيها إذ يتنازعون بينهم أمرهم فقالوا ابنوا عليهم بنيانا ربهم أعلم بهم قال الذين غلبوا على أمرهم لنتخذن عليهم مسجدا.
Thus we made them aware, so that people come to know that the promise of Allah is true, and that there is no doubt about the hour, day of judgment. When they were disputing among themselves in their matter, so they said, "Build a structure over them. Their Lord knows them best." Those who were influential in their matter said, "We shall most definitely build a masjid near them."
سيقولون ثلاثة رابعهم كلبهم ويقولون خمسة سادسهم كلبهم رجما بالغيب ويقولون سبعة وثامنهم كلبهم قل ربي أعلم بعدتهم ما يعلمهم إلا قليل فلا تمار فيهم إلا مراء ظاهرا ولا تستفت فيهم منهم أحدا.
Soon they will say, they are 3, their dog is the 4th. And some will say, 5, and their dog is the 6th, guessing without seeing. And some will say, 7, and their dog is the 8th. Say, my Lord knows best regarding their number. Only a few people know them. Do not argue about them except to the extent that is apparent. And do not ask anyone of them, i.e., people of the book, about them.
ولا تقولن لشيء إني فاعل ذلك غدا.
And you must not say about anything, indeed I shall do this tomorrow.
إلا أن يشاء الله واذكر ربك إذا نسيت وقل عسى أن يهديني ربي لأقرب من هذا رشدا.
Accept that Allah wills, and remember your Lord when you forget, and say, it is near that my Lord shows me a way of guidance that is nearer than this.
وَلَبِثُوا فِي كَهْفِهِمْ 300 سِنِينَ وَازْدَادُوا 9.
And they stayed in their cave for 300 years, and 9 more years.
قُلِ اللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا لَبِثُوا لَهُ غَيْبُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ أَبْصِرْ بِهِ وَأَسْمِعْ ما لهم من دونه من ولي ولا يشرك في حكمه أحدا.
Say, Allah knows best about how long they stayed, and to Him belongs the unseen of the heavens and the earth. How perfectly He sees and hears. There is no helper for them other than Allah, and He does not share His command with anyone.
وَاتْلُ مَا أُوحِيَ إِلَيْكَ مِنْ كِتَابِ رَبِّكَ لَا مُبَدِّلَ لِكَلِمَاتِهِ وَلَن تَجِدَ مِن دُونِهِ مُلْتَحَدًا.
And recite that which has been revealed to you from your Lord's book. No one can change His words, and you will never find any refuge other than Him.
واصبر نفسك مع الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ولا تعد عيناك عنهم تريد زينة الحياة الدنيا ولا تطع من أغفلنا قلبه عن ذكرنا واتبع هواه وكان أمره فرطا.
And affiliate your soul with those who call upon your Lord morning and evening, seeking His pleasure. And do not turn your eyes away from them, seeking the adornment of worldly life. And do not obey the one whose heart we have made heedless of our remembrance. And he followed his desire, and his matter has exceeded the limits.
وَقُلِ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّكُمْ فَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيُؤْمِنْ وَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيَكْفُرْ إِنَّا أَعْتَدْنَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ نَارًا أَحَاطَ بِهِمْ سُرَادِقُهَا وَإِنْ يَسْتَغِيثُوا يُغَاثُوا بِمَاءٍ كَالْمُهْلِ يَشْوِي الْوُجُوهَ بئس الشراب وساءت مرتفقا.
And say, the truth is from your Lord. So whosoever desires may believe, and whosoever desires may disbelieve. Surely we have prepared for the oppressors the fire whose walls will surround them. And if they cry for water, their cry will be answered with water like molten copper, which will sear their faces. What a terrible drink it is, and what an evil abode it is.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات إنا لا نضيع أجر من أحسن عملا.
Those who believe and perform righteous deeds, we do not annul the reward of those who are virtuous.
أولئك لهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتهم الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ويلبسون ثيابا خضرا من سندس واستبرق متكئين فيها على الأرائك نعم الثواب وحسنت مرتفقا.
For them there are everlasting gardens beneath which rivers are flowing. They will be made to wear golden bracelets therein, and they will wear green clothing made from fine and thick silk, reclining upon cushions therein. What an excellent reward it is, and what an excellent place of rest it is.
واضرب لهم مثلا الرجلين جعلنا لأحدهما جنتين من أعناب وحففناهما بنخل وجعلنا بينهما زرعا.
And relate the account of two men. We made for one of them 2 gardens of grapes, and we covered them with date palms and made crops between them.
كلتا الجنتين آتت أكلها ولم تظلم منه شيئا وفجرنا خلالهما نهرا.
Both gardens brought forth their fruit and did not lessen anything from it, and we caused a stream to flow in their midst.
وكان له ثمر فقال لصاحبه وهو يحاوره أنا أكثر منك مالا وأعز نفرا.
And he had fruit, so he said to his companion, speaking arrogantly, I am greater than you in wealth and stronger in manpower.
ودخل جنته وهو ظالم لنفسه قال ما أظن أن تبيد هذه أبدا.
And he entered his garden while he was oppressing himself. He said, I do not think that this will ever perish.
وما أظن الساعة قائمة ولئن رددت إلى ربي لأجدن خيرا منها منقلبا.
And I do not think that the hour, day of judgment, is imminent. And even if I am returned to my Lord, I shall most definitely acquire a better abode than this.
قال له صاحبه وهو يحاوره أكفرت بالذي خلقك من تراب ثم من نطفة أكفرت بالذي خلقك من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم سواك رجلا.
His companion said to him, answering his vanity, "Do you disbelieve in the one who created you from dust, then a droplet, then made you a complete man?
لكن هو الله ربي ولا أشرك بربي أحدا."
But I say, He is Allah, my Lord, and I do not ascribe any partner to my Lord.
ولولا إذ دخلت جنتك قلت ما شاء الله لا قوة إلا بالله إن ترني أنا أقل منك مالا وولدا.
And why did you not say when you entered your garden, "Whatever Allah willed, there is no power except with Allah"? If you see me as inferior to you in wealth and offspring.
فعسى ربي أن يؤتيني خيرا من جنتك ويرسل عليها حسبانا من السماء فتصبح صعيدا زلقا.
Then it is near that my Lord will grant me better than your garden, and will cast lightning upon it from the sky, so it will become barren land.
أو يصبح ماؤها غورا فلن تستطيع له طلبا.
Or its water will sink into the ground, then you will never be able to find it.
وأحيط بثمره فأصبح يقلب كفيه على ما أنفق فيها وهي خاوية على عروشها ويقول يا ليتني لم أشرك بربي أحدا.
And his produce was overcome by calamity, so he began rubbing his palms together in sorrow for what he had invested on it, while it had fallen upon its trellises. He cried, "Alas, I wish I had not ascribed a partner to my Lord."
ولم تكن له فئة ينصرونه من دون الله وما كان منتصرا.
And there was no group to help him other than Allah, and he himself was incapable of revenge.
هنالك الولاية لله الحق هو خير ثوابا وخير عقبا.
From this it is known that supreme authority only belongs to Allah, the True. He is the best in bestowing reward and the best in granting a good outcome.
واضرب لهم مثل الحياة الدنيا كماء إن أنزلناه من السماء فاختلط به نبات الأرض فأصبح هشيما تذروه الرياح وكان الله على كل شيء مقتدرا.
State for them the example of the life of this world like water which we sent down from the sky. So with it the vegetation of the earth grew dense. Then it became dry grass which is blown around by the winds. And Allah has power over everything.
المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا والباقيات الصالحات خير عند ربك ثوابا وخير أملا.
Wealth and sons are the adornment of this world, and lasting, righteous matters are better with your Lord in respect of reward, and better in respect of hope.
ويوم نسير الجبال وترى الأرض بارزة وحشرناهم فلم نغادر منهم أحدا.
And remember the day we shall move the mountains, and you will see the earth as a clear plain, and we shall gather them, not leaving any one of them behind.
وعرضوا على ربك صفا لقد جئتمونا كما خلقناكم أول مرة بل زعمتم أن لن نجعل لكم موعدا.
And they will be presented to their Lord in rows. Certainly you have come to us just as we had created you the first time. Rather, you had thought that we would never appoint a time of promise for you.
ووضع الكتاب فترى المجرمين مشفقين مما فيه ويقولون يا ويلتنا ما لهذا الكتاب لا يغادر صغيرة ولا كبيرة إلا أحصاها ووجدوا ما عملوا حاضرا ولا يظلم ربك أحدا.
And the book of deeds will be placed. Then you will see the transgressors fearing what is written therein. And they will say, Destruction for us. What kind of book is this that it has encompassed every minor and major sin? They will find their deeds present before them, and your Lord will not oppress anyone.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ كَانَ مِنَ الْجِنِّ فَفَسَقَ عَنْ أَمْرِ رَبِّهِ أَفَتَتَّخِذُونَهُ وَذُرِّيَّتَهُ أولياء من دوني وهم لكم عدو بئس للظالمين بدلا.
And remember when we said to the angels, Prostrate to Adam? So they all prostrated except Iblis, Satan. He was of the jinn, so he disobeyed the command of his Lord. O people, do you take him and his progeny as friends instead of me, even though they are your enemies? And what an evil exchange it is for the oppressors.
ما أشهدتهم خلق السماوات والأرض ولا خلق أنفسهم وما كنت متخذ المضلين عضدا.
I did not make them witnesses during the creation of the heavens and the earth, nor during their own creation, and I do not take those who mislead as helpers.
ويوم يقول نادوا شركائي الذين زعمتم فدعوهم فلم يستجيبوا لهم وجعلنا بينهم موبقا.
And remember the day when Allah will say, Call upon those whom you considered to be my partners, then they will call upon them. So they will not answer them, and we will create a valley of destruction between them.
ورأى المجرمون النار فظنوا أنهم مواقعوها ولم يجدوا عنها مصرفا.
And the transgressors will see the fire and will be certain that they are about to fall into it, and they will not find a way out of it.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ لِلنَّاسِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ وَكَانَ الْإِنسَانُ أَكْثَرَ شَيْءٍ جَدَلًا.
We have certainly provided all types of examples in this Quran for the people, but man is more hostile than anything else in creation.
وَمَا مَنَعَ النَّاسَ أَن يُؤْمِنُوا إِذْ جَاءَهُمُ الْهُدَى وَيَسْتَغْفِرُوا رَبَّهُمْ إِلَّا أَن تَأْتِيَهُمْ سُنَّةُ الْأَوَّلِينَ أَوْ يَأْتِيَهُمُ الْعَذَابُ قُبُلًا.
What prevented the people from embracing faith and seeking forgiveness from their Lord when guidance came to them, except this, that the way of previous people befalls them, or punishment comes upon them in many ways.
وَمَا نُرْسِلُ الْمُرْسَلِينَ إِلَّا مُبَشِّرِينَ وَمُنذِرِينَ وَيُجَادِلُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِالْبَاطِلِ لِيُدْحِضُوا بِهِ الْحَقَّ وَاتَّخَذُوا آيَاتِي وَمَا أُنذِرُوا هُزُوًا.
And we only send the messengers as bearers of glad tidings and warners, and the disbelievers dispute through falsehood that they might erase the truth with it, and they have taken my signs and that which they were warned of in mockery.
وَمَنْ أَظْلَمُ مِمَّنْ ذُكِّرَ بِآيَاتِ رَبِّهِ فَأَعْرَضَ عَنْهَا وَنَسِيَ مَا قَدَّمَتْ يَدَاهُ إِنَّا جَعَلْنَا عَلَى قُلُوبِهِمْ أَكِنَّةً أَن يَفْقَهُوهُ وَفِي آذَانِهِمْ وَقْرًا وَإِن تَدْعُهُمْ إِلَى الْهُدَى فَلَن يَهْتَدُوا إِذًا أَبَدًا.
And who is a greater oppressor than he who is given counsel through the verses of his Lord? Then he turns away from them and forgets what his hands have sent forth. Certainly we cast a veil over their hearts, leaving them unable to comprehend, and a burden, deafness in their ears. And if you call them towards guidance, even then they will never attain guidance.
وَرَبُّكَ الْغَفُورُ ذُو الرَّحْمَةِ لَوْ يُؤَاخِذُهُم بِمَا كَسَبُوا لَعَجَّلَ لَهُمُ الْعَذَابَ بَل لَّهُم مَّوْعِدٌ لَّن يَجِدُوا مِن دُونِهِ مَوْئِلًا.
Your Lord is most forgiving, the possessor of mercy. Had he seized them due to their deeds, he would certainly have hastened punishment for them. Rather, there is a promised time for them, from which they will never find refuge.
وَتِلْكَ الْقُرَىٰ أَهْلَكْنَاهُمْ لَمَّا ظَلَمُوا وَجَعَلْنَا لِمَهْلِكِهِم مَّوْعِدًا.
We destroyed these villages when they oppressed, and we made a promised time for their destruction.
وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَىٰ لِفَتَاهُ لَا أَبْرَحُ حَتَّىٰ أَبْلُغَ مَجْمَعَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ أَوْ أَمْضِيَ حُقُبًا.
And when Musa said to his young aide, I will travel continuously until I reach the place where the two seas meet, or I travel for many years.
فلما بلغا مجمع بينهما نسيا حوتهما فاتخذ سبيله في البحر سربا.
So when they reached the place where the two seas meet, they forgot their fish, so it made its path in the sea like a burrow.
فلما جاوزا قال لفتاه آتنا غداءنا لقد لقينا من سفرنا هذا نصبا.
So when they proceeded, he, Musa, said to his aide, "Bring us our breakfast. We have certainly faced exhaustion in this journey of ours."
قال أرأيت إذ أوينا إلى الصخرة فإني نسيت الحوت وما أنسانيه إلا الشيطان أن أذكره واتخذ سبيله في البحر عجبا.
He, the aide, said, "Consider when we rested near the rock. Indeed, I forgot to inform you regarding the fish, and it was Satan alone who caused me to forget its mention. And it, the fish, made its path in the sea in a strange way."
قال ذلك ما كنا نبغي فارتدا على آثارهما قصصا.
He, i.e. Musa, said, "This is what we were seeking." So they returned, retracting their steps.
فوجدا عبدا من عبادنا آتيناه رحمة من عندنا وعلمناه من لدنا علما.
So they found an individual from our people, whom we had granted a special mercy from us, and whom we had taught knowledge from our court.
قال له موسى هل أتبعك على أن تعلمني مما علمت رشدا.
Musa said to him, "Khidr, may I stay in your company, provided that you teach me from the guidance which you were taught?"
قال إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He, Khidr, replied, "You will not be able to stay in my company.
وكيف تصبر على ما لم تحط به خبرا.
And how will you be patient with that which is beyond your knowledge?"
قال ستجدني إن شاء الله صابرا ولا أعصي لك أمرا.
He, Musa, said, "If Allah wills, you will find me patient, and I will not disobey you in any matter."
قال فإن اتبعتني فلا تسألني عن شيء حتى أحدث لك منه ذكرا.
He said, "So if you are to stay in my company, then do not question me about anything until I myself mention it to you."
فانطلقا حتى إذا ركبا في السفينة خرقها قال أخرقتها لتغرق أهلها لقد جئت شيئا إمرا.
Then they both proceeded until when they boarded a ship, he made a hole in it. He, Musa, said, "Have you made a hole in it to drown its people? You have certainly committed a most evil deed."
قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He said, "Did I not say, indeed, you will not be able to stay with me?"
قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا.
He, Musa, said, "Do not call me to account due to that which I forgot, and do not make me suffer in my matter."
فانطلقا حتى إذا لقيا غلاما فقتله قال أقتلت نفسا زكية بغير نفس لقد جئت شيئا نكرا.
Then they both proceeded until when they met a boy. So he killed him. He, Musa, said, "You have killed an innocent life without it being retaliation for another life. You have certainly committed a most undesirable deed."